Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about the lymphatic system or about some organs of the lymphatic system and their function, mainly lymph node, thymus, spleen, and the mucosa associated lymphatic system. So the lymphatic system is composed of uh, the lymph node, the lymphatic vessels, the lymph which circulates through the lymphatic vessels. We have here the spleen, here the thymus. We have the tonsils. We have also the bone marrow. We have also the pear patch where we have the uh, pear patch. We have the mucosa associated lymphatic tissue, and all of those part of the lymphatic system has the role. For example, the lymphatic vessels, they have the function of fluid recovery. The lymph nodes play a role in the immunity, and we have the pear patch, which has a role into lipid absorption. So, in the lymphatic system, we have the spleen and the thymus. The thymus is an organ that goes through an evolution. That means that when we were kids, the thymus was bigger than when we become adults, so it became smaller. The thymus has a role in the maturation into the T lymphocytes. So when the bone marrow produces the lymphocytes T, the thymus is going to release some hormone, or mainly the thymosin, which is going to collect those lymphocyte T and conduct them to the thymus for maturation. The spleen is an organ which has two parts, the white pulp and the red pulp, and both the colors are associated with the color. For example, the red pulp plays a role in the destruction of the red blood cells or erythrocyte, and the white pulp plays a role in the immunity with the white blood cells. The mucosa-associated lymphoid tissue is the front line of defense of our body, and it covers different organ systems in our body. For example, the respiratory system, the digestive system, and also the our reproductive system. So it is there. The first things that enters in contact with bacteria or microorganism when they try to enter a body are the mucosa associated lymphoid tissue. They are non-specific defense of our body, and they provide protection. We also have the lymph nodes. The lymph nodes is like a place where lymphocytes goes to learn how to fight. So in the lymph node, we have the white blood cell when they transform into macrophage outside of the blood in the tissue. They kill a bacteria and they become an APC or an antigen presenting cells, and then then go to the lymph nodes, and there the lymphocytes are those APCs are going to present antigen to the lymphocytes, and they are going to learn how to fight those antigen. So it was all for the lymphatic system. Thank you for watching.